Sir, can you tell us what transpired today following the adoption of the no business provision?
Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So we adopted in court today no case of action. The prosecution, DSS lawyers, also filed a response of a counter to our notice of action. So basically what we did in court today was to adopt those processes. And then my lord has graciously adjourned till Friday, I think the 8th of May, for the ruling on the notice of action. It has always been our position that this matter should never have been in court in the first place. I will maintain that position to this one. But Friday is by the corner, so on Friday we'll be back to court. So the whole world will know what the court decides in that regard. After that, we will take the next case of action.
Alignment with that of our lawyer. The case had no merit, no basis. But I always tell you, we come to court expecting the worst and hoping for the best. So, the interesting thing is that you all have been aware of one of our colleagues who was abducted by the army, Justice Shidebere. It's just been brought to court now for trial. It's another challenge. So we are going to for 6 right there. We don't have time to wait so that we can defend him and also get him out of their clause. Unlawful detention. And we are calling on the Nigerian people that the army is being deployed against them in handling civil matters, because they've seen how we dealt with the DSS in 2019, dealt with the police, and the army as an arm of oppression is being deployed for cases that should never involve the army. So we'll see to that. Let's keep mobilizing until we are liberated. Thank you very much. Let's go to court 6.